how can we live our lives so that our soul will be truly happy?
First of all, we have to reveal our soul. It doesn't exist in anyone unless they worked at it first. A person has to discover his soul and try and work with it, learn how to open it and manage it, how through it to receive the new life, the new world that opens up to him in the force of bestowal and love that he didn't have up until now at all. And when he will see the new world, the spiritual world, or what we call the upper world, then he'll see what to do next. It's like being born anew. And then he'll know what's going on with him, what man is altogether, that it's not about living in our protein body that lives and dies, that this is what we relate our life to, but we live a complete and eternal life, where everything depends on the extent to which we acquire our soul.
So you're giving a real emphasis here on the fact that we have our body naturally, we got it naturally, but the soul is something that we have to work for.
Our body is something that we have received temporarily in order to acquire the soul and to continue spiritual life with it.
So what you're saying is that discovering our soul is actually our destiny, it's the direction we're moving into and the thing that will truly make us happy.
Right.